Bye-bye, shitty ramp. I just missed the ramp completely. All right, guys, I'm here today to test out a ramp that I built yesterday. I kind of used two videos that I found online on building a 45-degree ramp. I liked some of what one guy did, and I liked some of what the other guy did, and I basically combined the two to make this. First time I've ever really made a ramp. I am not a woodworker. This is all new to me. I just bought some power tools. So I'm pretty pleased with how it came out. I didn't do a video when I was building it because I just didn't know if I was going to be able to do it, and I didn't want to have video of me just screwing it up, and it would have taken me even longer, I think, if I was trying to explain what I was doing while I was trying to figure out what I was doing, if that makes any sense. So I'm going to test this out today. I'm going to do a 3S truck and then a 6S truck, and just to see, you know, how it's going to fly and if I'm going to hit branches or anything like that. So but overall, I'm really happy with the construction, and you know, let's go check this thing out. All right, bickety bam, new ramp test. I've decided to go with my Big Rock crew cab because it won't fly as far as my 6S rigs, and I want to see where this thing's going to end up. I got a feeling I'm going to be in trouble here with these trees. I might have to find another place with this ramp, or maybe take down a branch or two, but we're gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna hit it a couple times, not too fast, and see what's see what we can expect. I got it level. I had to use a piece of 2x4 on the one side, but let's see what we got going here. Oh, that was nice. It's a nice level jump. Try a little more speed this time. Whoop, come over here. You lose total. It's hard to see the when it's coming in to jump so high. That's pretty funny. You definitely get some height. That is nice. I could also see if that was my Italian or Typhon, it would have been into that tree. So I have decisions to make here. I think this is nice. You get plenty of air, smooth takeoff. It's not like it's slamming into the ramp, I don't believe. So, oops, a little stuff that one. Distance is fine too, so it's not going too far. Whoops. Oh, right on the nose. Yeah, watch that stump. All right, it's definitely good for 3S. Let me go grab a 6S rig. All right, guys, for the 6S test on this ramp, I chose my Typhon. It's really windy today, and I figured it would be least affected by the wind. It's also probably my toughest truck. So, you know, if I do hit something, hopefully the damage won't be too bad. So we're going to give this a shot. I'm not going to come screaming in at first. Again, I'm just going to try to feel it out. Yeah, that tree might be a problem. Wow, that went way higher than I thought it was going to go. Man, that gets up there. That's awesome. I think I got the ramp in a good spot too. I haven't hit anything, so that's always a plus. That one didn't sound. That sounded like it might have hit the ramp. Let's try to do a double. I don't think I've ever done a double with this truck. There you go. Didn't land it, but it got around twice. That would have been easier too if I hit that ramp straight. There you go. Woo, baby. Sweet. There you go. Oh, that sounds like something broke. I probably broke a... How many? Just one or two? Yeah. All right. That was wicked. All right. I think the ramp's all right. And it rolls really easy with these four wheels. The key is whether I'm going to be able to get this thing into the back of my pickup. But if I can, then I have a lot of options. I can, because once I get to wherever I'm going, I can just wheel this thing. I mean, it rolls super easy. It's like luggage. It's awesome. Just want to give you an idea of how easy this rolls with these wheels. So it's once you're where you're going, or if it's on your property, it's super easy to move. But the wheels make a big difference, because there's no way I could lift this thing. Absolutely no way I could lift this thing and carry it around. Way too heavy. So happy with the wheels. I was afraid the wheels on the front might make it too nose heavy, and maybe when you launch the truck it would roll nowhere. I didn't get the ones with the locks, as you can see, that it would nose over, but no problem. So that's a good thing. I'm going to inspect the ramp for damage. I still need to. I'm going to stain it, seal it, maybe add some graphics, and I'm going to also build another one. This one is 45 degrees, so I might do like 35, get a little more distance. So overall I'm pleased with the ramp. So I look forward to sending more of my trucks off it once it's completely complete. So I will see you next time, guys. Peace.